Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the exact assets and environment you'll need. Install Xcode and sign into your Apple developer account so you can test icons on device. This avoids permission surprises later. Next, create an SVG source folder and name each file with a consistent emoji ID to keep versions organized. Finally, set each artboard to 1024 x 1024 and apply the iOS 18 color palette. This ensures visual fidelity and reduces rework as you proceed. Now you move into the detailed design work. Use vector shapes and Boolean operations so emojis scale cleanly. Enable 1px grid snapping to maintain crisp strokes. Once shapes are locked, apply iOS 18 gradients and subtle shadow layers to match system style, and keep corner radii consistent to read as native. When ready, export optimized SVG and PDF exports for vector use. Then rasterize Retina PNGs at 1 times, 2 times, and 3 times to guarantee sharp display across devices. To finish, integrate assets into an emoji asset catalog inside Xcode and assign identifiers that match your app logic so the system can reference them reliably. Once integrated, deploy to device via test flight and inspect alignment, color accuracy, and voiceover accessibility labels. This verifies real-world rendering. If something looks off, clear build caches, re-export the specific asset at the exact scale, and rebuild. That usually resolves aliasing or color profile problems. Make sure to increment your asset version before final release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.